Hi guys, this is John from Meat Stix University, and this is Cured Sausage 103, Casings for Snack Sticks. Snack sticks are a very popular type of cured sausage that's stuffed into a smaller diameter casing and then smoked. They can be made out of pork, beef, poultry, wild game, and they have a wide variety of flavor profiles to choose from. You also have a few different casings to choose from to use. The most common by far are smoked collagen. Collagen casings are made from restructured beef hide, and the smoked casings have a coloring agent in them to easily identify them. Unlike the fresh and the clear varieties, these will not be clear casings after they've been cooked. They're going to stay this color. These casings, also known as processed stick casings, are strong enough to be able to be stuffed and then hung over smoke sticks in the smoker while still providing a more tender bite than natural casings. Smoked collagen is available from 15mm all the way up to 32mm, but for snack sticks, the size range would be the 15 to 21. Choosing a 15mm will give you a very small stick, similar to what you'd see in many grocery stores, but it requires some specialized equipment to process, as you need a really powerful stuffer to push the meat through a really small stuffing tube. If you're using a hand cranked model, the best choices in my opinion are either the 19 or the 21mm smoked collagen casings. These are going to allow you to use the 12mm stuffing tube that comes with the Walton stuffer. Now 21mm casings might be a little bit larger of a snack stick than what you're used to, but it's a lot easier to do and you'll have a better overall experience. The 19mm casings will be a tight fit on the 12mm tube, but they will work. It just takes a little bit of work to get them to load on. Now, if you're looking for something a little smaller, you can purchase a 10mm stuffing tube. Just be prepared for it to be considerably harder to fill the casing. When you're stuffing collagen casings, you need to be somewhat careful to avoid overstuffing and blowouts. The casing should be stuffed until it's full, but not overstuffed. This will allow it to loop over the smoke sticks without breaking or bursting. If your casings are overstuffed when you put them into the smoker, there is the possibility of them breaking during the cooking process, and your meat's going to end up on the floor of your smoker when you're all done. Now, when properly stuffed, these casings do not require that you tie them off during hanging. They'll hold on to the meat through the smoking process and prevent the meat from dripping onto the smoker floor with no issues. Now, you can also use natural casings or cellulose casings for snack stick, but these just aren't as popular as the smoked collagen. The cellulose casings have to be peeled, and the natural casings are difficult to find in sizes that are small enough to be considered anything close to a snack stick. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatstix.com to find everything but the meat. I'm John with Meat Stix University, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.